Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keyboard touch feedback vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next go down and tap on general management, then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now go down and tap on swipe, touch and feedback. Then tap on touch feedback. Now tap on vibration to turn it on or off. If it is switched on, when you are starting to type on the keyboard will vibrate slightly each time you are pressing on the key. That's just to give you a feedback that you have successfully pressed on the key. Now if you do not like that feedback, you can switch it off. So we go in here and we're going to tap on touch feedback and switch off the vibration. And now if we start typing, it will no longer vibrate. Now also that vibration uses a bit of power, so by turning it off, you can save some power on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.